Hello everyone, this is Ed from Slayer Pro Gamers, and this is a walkthrough of Lollipop Chainsaw. A very unusual game that if you need help on it, this is how to do it.
Hardy hard.
Now, I already beaten this game once already, but I will start from the beginning over again. You aren't gonna miss the opening cutscene, and that's it. So, and I will do this on normal. If anybody wants me to do it on a higher difficulty mode, like hard or super hard, then I would do it. Just request it in my messages or comments, and I would do it. Start in the prologue. So many things wrong with this game, oh my god.
Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too. Like we're not already late enough. Gross. Stupid.
Okay, I have to be honest, I did wish girls exist like that. Come on guys, you know I'm right. Don't even say I'm not right. I mean, I can admit that.
This is so irritating.
The good thing about this game is a lot of stop motion action here. Kind of like in Final Fantasy 13-2, a lot of cinematic action, stuff like that, you gotta press a button to, pass, so that's what I like about this game. Sparkle hunting, really important in the game if you want to get the achievements or, anything cool. You gotta get the point is just get the medals and the silver medals to get stuff off the store. We'll learn about that, as we go along here. Yeah, and these crazy ass moves I'm doing right now, you have to buy, once you start the game, you don't just get them, you have to buy them at the store from coins, gold coins. So, I'm showing you what they are and how badass they can be. Well, he's fucked. Now that was the most powerful move in the game, so it costs like exactly 1,000 gold coins, and it's really awesome. You can like kill the most powerful zombie with it in like blink. So I love using it because it's really badass.
Awesome! I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie nettles.
Yeah. Throughout the game, you'll encounter, SOS and these students that need help, and they'll give you coins if you help them keep them alive. And do that because then you'll earn an achievement at the end, like 30 points, gamer score.
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Honestly, you gotta love the dialogue in this game. It's just really like something to laugh about. Never take this game seriously. And you can break stuff like this. you know, break these little, whatever the fuck they're called. You know, and you'll get an achievement too, where it's like 15-25, I think. You break them all in the entire game, so make sure you do that if you want the achievements.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your tape.
Well, when you're dead, you know, it doesn't really matter.
This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought.
Yeah, I hate these crawlers because they always like get me somehow. Open all these things you see here because they give you points. Another move you can unlock, you know, which take care of the ground zombies. Another thing I love about this game is the freaking music. It's awesome. Like, it's completely badass for this game. Another classmate you gotta rescue.
Just don't move. Take care of him. No big whoop.
This is gonna be a dick, I swear. I don't really think this game makes fun of too much, except how stupid high school kids are, and you know how stupid high school kids are. So it's not like, you know, it's a crime or anything like that.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
Watch out!
How did she not get hurt by that? I will never know.
Come on, get away from me.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Damn. Whenever your meteor feels like that, you can activate a button to let you go invincible and then easily get sparkle hunting, which is that thing you saw earlier, that action. So make sure you do that. But only use this, you know, this ability when there's a lot of enemies which still will show up in the next minute of this video.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
Yeah, no one gives a shit, dude. Well, not right now, but
Rod to save somebody's life.
just make sure you try to don't let these kids die, you know, because they do give you gold coins. Try to help them out. That's a lot of point in the game is anyway. Helping these classmates out and then, you know, getting stuff. Open the gate. Then when there's a group of enemies that activate this action. Which is this. And this is sparkle hunting again.
Cool.
Fuck off! Get away!
Use them for groups of enemies or yeah, you know, or you can't like yeah, just for groups of enemies like this.
Sweet.
Because you do need these silver coins too if you want to unlock stuff or buy shit. And you see that? He died.
Swallow my fist like tuna.
Didn't mean to do that, but you know, I already got the achievement. And you know,
What's going on down there?
yeah, make sure you try to save them, guys. Don't do what I did there. I didn't, you know, was busy trying to show you how to do sparkle hunting. gotta love this move here. But once you get 1,000 coins, do buy it. It's worth it.
Where's the bee?
Hold on, it's too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Man, that sucks.
Oh no! He crashed over by the spore and is probably dead. Just a second.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Yeah, Julia's phone. If you want the achievement for that, I didn't get that achievement. You had to answer all phone calls, but you know, to do that, when the phone rings, you'll see on your screen and just answer it. You gotta press a button and answer it. And that'll be it for part 1 of Lollipop Chainsaw, and I'll see you guys next time for part 2. Thank you for watching.